That was what you wanted, right?
Yeah, good. How do you use it?
Flip the top of it up.
Gotta get the string
That's
out.
the top.
Just grab a hold of the front black and flip it
Pull it
up.
up. It's an old.
Now, aim it at somebody, just the first couple pictures. You're just gonna,
Are they gonna come out?
yeah, it'll come out the
right
front.
out.
How
It's
do
just-
I
You
use
just,
Just a button on the right hand side.
this?
Yeah,
that's it.
Yeah.
Move your fingers because it can't come
yeah, it
out.
comes out the front, so don't
Comes out
put your
the
fingers in the
front
way.
How long do I hold it?
Push it hard.
Push it hard.
I did. I could try it again.
There.
That's cool.
What?
Oh, that's a puppy.
That's me?
No, take another one.
That's a picture of me, Dad, of course.
How did you come out like that, Paige?
I don't know.
Press it really hard.
Now, see the look at the thing. There's a little collar behind it. Push the collar behind it. No, honey, right here.
Behind the orange thing, honey.
Right here. Push
You
that.
press that.
Like, do that. For some reason, it's not working right.
Oh, here.
Oh, another puppy. Am I getting a puppy? I'm getting a puppy? Oh, is it a puppy?
She is getting a puppy, not me? Is it a puppy for the family? She got a puppy?
Is there more?
No. Now you just use
No,
the film.
close it up.
There.
Thank you. I gave this puppy.